Hello friends, today I'm going to demonstrate how we can create a template in ADManager Plus. One of the tasks that we'll do is to create a template by defining attribute on the template that can be applied to any user that is created, and we'll also be defining a mandatory field, and in this case we'll be using last name for that matter as an example. And we equally delete a field that will be the middle initial field. We'll remove it and we'll put it back. So without any waste of time, let's see how we can do that on the ADManager Plus console. While on your ADManager, you click on management, then you come here, click on this green plus, create new template. So we give your template a name. Let's say in this case I'll call this ABC TV 3, and then you select the domain name. You might happen to have more many domain. You click on this arrow and choose the domain that you want to put some description, so that any other person using this interface will understand exactly what was going on. Now these are the fields that are defined, so if you don't like any of them, you can remove it, but we'll come to that later. So these are the different fields, as you can see. So here you select your office if the office are defined. You select the email format, the way you want it to be formed. So we'll leave everything default. Now you can also change the container where you want this to be created. So if we click here on the plus sign here, this will bring up this interface. Right now it means that the user container, that's where you want this created, but I want this to be on ABC TV. So I already have some container there, so maybe I want HR. I will select HR and click OK. You will see that will reflect down here. That will reflect down here. So now let's move to the next step, to create, to edit your template. Like I want to make the last name mandatory. You come here, click on enable drag and drop. Click on that option. That will bring you to this window. You see that now you can highlight, so you highlight on the last name and take edit. Now we say make it, we say mandatory. So we'll click done. You see that the last name now has an asterisk, meaning that you must enter the last name before you can move on. Now our next step was to how to remove a field, right? So we'll highlight the initial, and we'll come here and we'll click on delete and we'll click OK. Now you see that the initial is gone. So how do we bring it back? Simply come here, hold it like that, and bring it and drop. So we'll put it in between here. So now the initial has come. We'll confirm it, say done, and you see that the initial box is added. So now we are done. So we'll come down here and click save template, right? So you see that our template ABC3 TV3 is created. So So this tutorial comes to an end at this point. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.